Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Bronco Sport in a Badlands trim and powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with 4-wheel drive capabilities, of course. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a very spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have a rugged cargo cover, underneath of which you have your 5th full-size spare. And back here as well, you have a 110 volt power outlet with a 12 volt, some tie down hooks with lassos on them. You do have sort of cargo lights that can be articulated however you please. And you have a built-in bottle opener right there, so you can open up your beverages. Looking into the back, where you have seating for 3 comfortably with fold-out armrest and 2 cup holders, you have a nice sort of leather and suede interior. You have another 110 volt power outlet down there with a USB and USB-C, and the backs of the seats have zippered pouches for storage and MOLLE rigging so that you can hook your equipment onto. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with a running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip information, tire pressures, your now playing, fuel economy, and then you can also go into your menu and look at some other information here. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, adaptive steering, I believe, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. You have your lane keeping assist on the end of the signal stalk there. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And moving down from that, you have your media controls here with your auto start stop shut off and your hazards, as well as your front camera view for, depending on the circumstances, could be helpful. I do also have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. But then moving down, you have this little cubby here, and then you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel so you can stay cozy. Down below, you have this cubby area here with a USB, USB-C, and 12 volt power outlet, so you can plug something in, as well as a wireless charging pad, so if your phone is compatible, throw it on there and it will begin to charge. Moving on, you have your main shifter here on a dial, but you do also have select shift. You have paddle shifters on the wheel, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then you have your parking brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, and then your 4x4 controls here. You have trail control mode, like cruise control for rougher conditions, traction control shutoff, locking rear differential, and 4-wheel drive lock, as well as your goat mode selector, so it goes over any terrain. You have normal, eco, sport, slippery, mud ruts, sand, and rock crawl mode, so you have some customizability there for your driving. And then not last at all, you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious with a USB and USB-C inside. And then last but not least, you do have a power moonroof up top so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.